guys.
Okay, so today in this video we are going to show you how to make paper out of like dog food, and you could just put your own stuff in it.
Yeah,
So as a start, you need paper.
of course. This is our first time making a video.
So make sure to subscribe and like.
Yeah,
And
subscribe and like and leave a comment if you
Right
want.
now, you're gonna fold it. Well, actually not yet, because you have to. Don't fold it yet. I got extra stuff inside of that bag. Alright, these are safety scissors. And then you're gonna cut off right here. You can't see those little lines. You see these lines on the pen? Well, don't cut that. Right there.
These? Those? Okay.
Like this, look. On the side. Look. Let me see.
Could you help me out?
Like, right there.
Can you do it for me?
Hold on.
I don't have much balance with my cutting skills.
Right. I'm only gonna do this part.
Okay.
Wait, I'm not finished.
Okay, finish.
Alright.
Okay.
So this is how it's supposed to be, and I need to cut mine now, so hold on.
Yes.
Almost finished. So right now, then you could, you see mine, and then you fold it like this, like a card, and then you just want to cut right here. Get your scissors,
Okay.
and then go like this way, and then you want to cut it like this. Let me see. So it's supposed to be like this.
Yeah, it's supposed to look like that.
And I messed up right there.
Yeah.
Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut right here. Like this. Right there. And then you're gonna have this. So put it right here, and then cut it.
Wait. Oh, never mind. Okay.
So cut it like this.
How do you mean, like, putting it right here?
No.
Because you're kind of confusing me.
Okay, so then it's supposed to look like a book.
Yeah, book.
And then you are going to grab your glue stick. And then take this. You see it looks like a book. And then glue right here on the side.
Yes, we glued.
And then like that. And this dries fast, so you better do it quick.
Yeah, it does dry fast.
Don't do it hard.
Let me put some more on it. I think it's drying already.
Alright. So don't cover it all the way. Just like this. And the bottom is open and the top is open. Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Let me see. Yeah, that's good. Alright, see the top and bottom should be open. And then you could have like a pretend dog. I don't think you would like to do this if you had a real dog. So then you tape it. Well, not tape it, but glue it. And
We don't have a real dog, but we do have...
alright, so we have this pretend dog.
Yeah, we
Like
bought
it's
it.
not real.
We bought it like a couple of months ago. Well, actually, we bought it for Christmas. But anyways,
Anyway, you see how the bottom is covered? Well, we already glued this. So then, we're gonna get a scrap paper and then post it on the bottom and cover it. So what you're gonna have to do is gonna go like a circle. Put your glue stick like a circle, like that.
oh, okay.
So then you
Here's our
can,
glue stick. Yep. Glue stick like a circle.
and then if it's too
Is this
big,
too small?
just put yours like this. Because I'm the only one who made it, and he didn't.
Yeah, she is. That's true. Yeah, this is too small, Hennessy. I don't know why you're doing that.
Let me see. You just go like this. Boom.
Oh.
Now let this dry. Okay, so we did this, glued it on the bottom.
Yeah, glued circle, and
like this.
now it's dried, so
We're going to,
it took a little bit of time, but it was still worth it, because now you can put some, wait, what's next? Do we put some food inside of it, or cut the holes? Okay,
alright,
I remember now. We just have to cut around the circle with the glue, now that it's dried.
And, okay, so we're going to cut around it, so get your scissors.
Thanks.
And then cut around it like this. Don't cut it. Leave a little bit space, like this. Look.
Can you help me, please?
Alright, so we finished with our bottom.
Yeah, we put our
finally.
bottom on our things.
So it's supposed to look like this. And we're going to make the top now. The top we have to do like that and then a circle. So while we're doing that, we're going to do that. So you're going to grab a little piece of scrap paper. Leave it. Like this small.
Yeah, that's
And then
small.
this. And you're just going to cut it in a hole. Okay, so we made an easier way. You just lift it off
And then put some of your personal food in here.
and then dump it, close it back up, and then there you go.
Yeah,
Pick it up, and then there we go.
yeah.
And then right now we are going to decorate it.
Yeah.
So we have some of our crayons. Alright, you can put anything you want. Just if you want to write dog food, because it's like dog food, you could put anything you want. It doesn't have to be like this. And ours came out a little bit not like this, so it was supposed to be like that. But it didn't work out. So you could use a pencil, crayons, anything you want.
Yeah.
Alright, so we didn't want the video to be too long, so we decorated it.
Yeah.
I made this on top. I know it's not the great, but we did ours differently. And you could put your food on there, and the bottom, you might want to tape it, so...
Yeah, I know you can't see that it
but
says
it's
dog
okay.
food, but
You can see it, but, like, it's alright. So, we tried our best, because I forgot how to do this again. It was really hard.
Yeah,
and
it
this one
was.
stands,
yeah, that one does stand.
and this one doesn't. So, you could just lift it up, dump it, and then go like that. And then
Yeah.
you could put any food you want.
That's
So,
all the steps. Bye.
make sure to like and subscribe.